मेरा नजर कैमरा में है जी कि मुझे कैमरा में देखना है। ठीक है, और है ना, एक काम करिए ना, कोई है ना, ये आप एक काम करो, ये चेयर लेके ना यहाँ पे बैठ जाइए, तो कैमरा के एकदम बीच में। हाँ, मैं आपको देखूंगा तो मैं अभी आपको देखूंगा, ठीक है। देखिए तो कैमरा में कैसा क्या आ रहा है व्यू। मैं आपको देख रहा हूँ, ठीक है। ठीक है, सो अच्छा, आपका क्या है, वेलकम टोन, वेलकम टू एडुफाई। स्टार्ट है। Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy. Today in this class we are going to study about number system, which is first chapter in our syllabus. So before we start talking about number system, I need you all to know that what are the basic things which we are going to learn. These are the pre-cap which we will be learning in due course of time. That is, numerals, we'll know about numerals, we'll know about phase values, place values of the digit, types of number we will be we'll be dealing about operations on number, divisibility tests, unit place of an expression, unit digit, and digit sum theory. These are the things which we are going to study in due course of time. So let us start with the first thing, that is numbers. If we talk about numbers, these numbers are derived from Hindu Arabic system. The numbers which we use, 0, 1, 2, 3, these are derived from Hindu Arabic system, and it starts from 0 and it goes till 9. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are the basic structures of number, and all the numbers whichever are present in this world, all are made up of only this. You will not find any numbers which are other than this. So let's deep dive into the chapter. So now we will see what is face value. What is exactly face value? See, for example, if I say 487, in this 487, if I ask you what is the face value of this number 8, you will say, sir, 8 is only the face value of 8. That means the number itself is the face value of that number. Okay. Now, if you talk about, if I say, tell me what is the face value of this 7, you will say that 7 is only the face value of 7. Correct? Now, if I say, tell me what is the face value of 4, 4. What is the face value of 6? So, the number itself is the face value of 6. Got it? Now, let's see what's its counterpart, place value. What is place value? Now, to understand place value is the value of the numbers, what value it has, what is the positional value of the number. Suppose if I say this is what, you will say this is this, what is the place of this 6, you will say it is ones. What you will say about this, you will say it is in tens place, this is hundreds place. Like that, this will be thousand place, then it comes 10,000, then we have lakhs, then we have 10 lakhs, so on. So if I talk about place value, we will also say that place value is equal to local value. That is, the another name of place value is local value. If I say what is the place value of 6, this 6, you will say 6 into 1, that is 6. Now if I say what is the place value of this 1, you will say 1 into 10. If I say, what is the place value of 0? You will say 0 into 100. And if I say, what is the place value of 3? You will say 3 into 1000. This is how we understand place value. Now, in exam, they will ask you questions like this. Say suppose, what is the difference between the place value and face value of 3 in the number given in the question. Now you see, if I talk about the number that is 728,43016, and if I talk about place value of 3, you will say 3 into 1 stands 100,000. That means 3 into 1000. This is the place value of 3. And what is the face value? Face value is nothing but the number itself, that means 3. And question is asking about their difference, that means 3000 minus 3. 3000 minus 3, it is 2997. This would be your answer. They won't give you to find directly place value, they won't give you to find you directly face value. Now I have given you the question in difference form. They might ask you, what is the sum of place value and face value of 8? Now you might take one question which you can try at home, that what is the sum of place value and face value of 4 in the number 728,43016. Now this question you try at home, then you will see the relevant result, and these are the questions which are frequently asked in your exam. Now let's see the another topic which we have. Now we'll talk about numbers. Okay. Now the second topic in this number system, we will directly talk about numbers. What are numbers? See, if I tell you, count the number of banana you have. If I give you, there are this much bananas. So how you will count? 1, 2, 3, 4. You will say 4 bananas. Or will you count it like this? Will you count it like this? 0, 1, 2, 3? No. How you count? You count it from 1. We never start with 0. That is why the natural number is also known as counting number, because when we start counting, we never start with 0. How we start? We start with 1. And when we start with 1, this set of number, that means 1, 2, 3, goes on till infinity. This set of number is known as natural number. And if I talk about the smallest natural number, you will say 1 is the smallest natural number. 1 is the smallest natural number. And do you find any negative numbers here? Therefore, we can say all natural numbers are positive. Do you find 0 here? Therefore, we can say 0 is not a natural number. Okay. Now, let us see what is whole number. If we talk about whole number, see, the whole set of natural number will be there. Just we will add a 0 over here. So what we will say, all natural number and 0 forms the set of whole number. That means if I ask you what is the smallest whole number, you will not say 1, because 0 is also there, and 0 is smallest than 1. Therefore we will say 0 is the smallest whole number, and Now also, can you find any negative numbers? No. No negative numbers still we have spotted. So what we will say, whole numbers are also non-negative numbers or integers. We'll talk about integers later. For time being, let's concentrate on whole number and how it is denoted. Whole number is denoted by W. And what about natural number? Natural number is denoted by capital N. Alright. Now, let's see what is integers. If we talk about integers, we have all the negative numbers, whole number that is 0 and counting number. See, if I write 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, you will say this is the set of natural number. Correct? Now, merely by adding 0, the set becomes the set of whole number. And now if I add negative numbers, now the whole set of numbers, this whole set becomes the set of integers. Integers. Now let's talk about positive integers and negative integers. Now you see, from 0, this part to infinity are called positive integer, termed as I plus, Z plus, you can say I plus or Z plus. Next, if I talk about negative integers, see, from negative numbers to negative infinity, we'll say it is negative integers, I negative or Z negative. Now, what about 0? What about 0? What happened to 0? 0 didn't qualify to be positive integer. 0 didn't qualify to be negative integer. So we'll say 0, this 0 is neither positive nor negative, sort of neutral number. Okay? So 0 is neither negative nor positive. Next we have even number. See, lot of people think that, and in lots of people think that numbers, even numbers are nothing. But see, if I talk about even numbers, you will say 2, 4, 6. But this is not the exact way to define even number. See, here also there are certain things which we need to know, that what is even number. First criteria to be even number is that number should be a counting number. What is counting number exactly? Counting numbers are natural numbers. Means to be even number, the number should be, first criteria, it should be even number. Natural number. That means, see, I can't comment whether -2 is even or odd, but I can definitely say 2 is even number. Okay, and after that, the second criteria is it should be divisible by 2. If the number is divisible by 2, which type of number? The counting number. The counting number should be divisible by 2, then it will be termed as even number, and it is. And if it is not divisible by 2, it will be termed as odd number.